Hello my friends, I hope you're doing well and feeling healthy. In this video I'm going to use Harmonics from Hornet on mastering track to enhance mastering tracks harmonics and details or whatever we are facing in here. So this plugin allows you to choose what you wanna add. You have complete control in harmonics. But when I was comparing even and odd harmonics, I saw that in this specific song, odd harmonics would enhance this song's audio personality, make it wider, make it come closer to the listener. But odd harmonics enhance this song in the way it should or in the way the song is and helps the song to shine more, makes it wider, makes it closer to the listener, and the qualities of this song enhances when you add odd harmonics. But even harmonics makes this track focused and kinda centered. You might like even harmonics on this song, but it's not supporting this mastering track. So let's get to work. No more talking. Let's go and listen to the song. So first I'm going to let you hear the raw song.
You can stand, I smoke and drink, and that I'm not what you may think. I don't know how this will.
So let's first start with the odd harmonics.
You can stand, I smoke and drink, and that I'm not what you may think. I don't know how this will be. I always thought I'd never lose you. What you look at is what you'll see. I won't change just to suit you. No dress blowing in the wind, or see me running through the hayfield. That's your dream, but that's not me. I won't change just to suit you.
As you can hear, distorted E-guitars are louder and bigger in this harmonics mode. The song is a little bit wider and closer to the listener. But with the even harmonics, let's go and check.
You can stand, I smoke and drink, and that I'm not what you may think. I don't know how this will be. I always thought I'd never lose you. What you look at is what you'll see. I won't change just to suit you. No dress blowing in the wind, or see me running through the hayfield. That's your dream, but that's not me. I won't change just to suit you.
As I said, it is centered and it loses some of that wideness. Sometimes it may not be a bad thing, but it depends on your audio target and mixing target. What do you want to achieve with this plugin or with this mastering track? An important thing to mention is that you might need to decrease or increase some of these candles or whatever they are. Why am I saying this? Because you might destroy the phase of the song. At some points I heard it was like distortion added to some point, some parts of the song. So you might increase these or you might decrease these. You better listen with accurate listening system, accurate headphones or speaker monitorings. So don't use this plugin blindfold. Use this plugin with extra caution because you might add something that destroys the whole song and you can't hear it because you're not listening carefully or exactly. So let's manipulate some of these candles.
You can stand, I smoke and drink, and that I'm not what you may think. I don't know how this will be. I always thought I'd never.
Completely changes the sonic of the song.
You can stand, I smoke and drink, and that I'm not what you may think. I don't know how this will be. I always thought I'd never lose you. What you look at is what.
This could even work like a tonal EQ and DSR. You can use some of these knobs to control some of harshness or sibilance in the mix. So this plugin could work in a useful and creative way or in a destructive way. It depends on you.
You can stand, I smoke and drink, and that I'm not what you may think. I don't know
So let's go manipulate odd harmonics.
You can stand, I smoke and drink, and that I'm not what you may think. I don't know how this will be. I always thought I'd never lose you. What you get is what you'll see. I won't change.
The low end is enhanced immediately. So this is a good starting point. The third harmonics is a good starting point to enhance the low end without any other tools or whatever. You may use an equalizer that boosts anything around that specific audio target. So this could help you to boost only or enhance only the chosen harmonics, not everything.
You can stand, I smoke and drink, and that I'm not what you may think. I don't know how this will be. I always thought I'd never lose you. What you get is what you'll see. I won't change just to suit you. No dress blowing in the wind, or see me running through the hayfield. That's your dream, but that's not me. I won't change just to suit you.
It is exactly how odd harmonics sounds like. After some of these changes, it was like it was dirty in mid-range and high range, high end. Not in a bad way, it was good. It was sounding good to me. I liked how it sounds. The only thing to consider is pay attention to this plugin when you are using it. As I said, it's a creative free tool from Hornet, but when your tools give you too much of advanced features, you need to be more careful with them, or start with presets. Don't manipulate anything. Start with presets like only even, okay? Or not. Triangle.
You can stand, I smoke and drink, and that I'm not what you may think. I don't know how this will be. I always thought I'd
A little change happened, but I'm not expecting to be heard. I don't know YouTube's render system. How does it render this audio and delivers it to you? But I'm trying to always record on uncompressed 24-bit format like wave to deliver whatever I'm hearing to you. I know there will be some losses in quality, but it will work. We will be fine, don't worry. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.